So there are lots of ways that enzymes are used in various fields, and it's expensive to make them. But we do have lots of land area to grow crops, and if we're not using that cropland to make cigarettes anymore, hopefully, then perhaps we could use that cropland to make enzymes.
So we're hoping that a transformed tobacco plant is going to be a simpler, cheaper solution, where once it's engineered and we know it works well, all you have to do is plant a field of plants and then harvest it like you would normal tobacco.
There's certainly, for this paper, the big step forward was really to be able to show that when we move the plants into the field, that this burden that we've placed on the plants by asking them to make this 20%, turn 20% of the protein that they have in their cells into something that the plant can't use at all. And we show that that plant still is able to function perfectly normally in the field. And so this represents a new strategy, really, for us to be able to make enzymes either for agricultural applications, for food additive applications, for commercial consumer product applications, in a way that is very cheap and very safe.